Once upon a time, in a small village, there lived a curious boy named Sam. One sunny morning, while exploring the nearby forest, he stumbled upon an injured parrot. Its vibrant feathers were dulled by dirt, and it looked frightened. Sam gently picked up the parrot and took it home. He cleaned its wounds and fed it daily. Over time, the parrot regained its strength and began to trust Sam. The boy named it Polly. Polly, in gratitude, started mimicking Sam's words, filling the house with cheerful chatter. One day, while Sam was at school, a fire broke out in the village. Polly, sensing danger, flew to Sam's classroom and squawked frantically, repeating, "Fire! Fire!" Alarmed, Sam and his classmates followed Polly back to the village. Thanks to Polly's warning, they alerted the villagers in time to control the blaze and save many homes. The villagers hailed Polly as a hero, and Sam was proud of his feathered friend. From that day on, Sam and Polly were inseparable, their bond growing stronger with each adventure. Polly's bravery taught the village the value of kindness and the unexpected ways it can be repaid. The moral of the story is: kindness creates unexpected bonds and can lead to remarkable acts of bravery and gratitude.